Okay, I have just bought this common rail 24 valve Cummins here. And it's got a 6-speed. And I'm kind of rebuilding the drivetrain here. Did a new bearing on the drive shaft there, new mounts. Even did a short shifter here. Yeah, it's a pretty rough truck, but honestly, it's not that bad a condition. So yeah, I threw a pretty janky, cheap short throw shifter in here. But even then, look at this play. Sometimes I get caught in the gates. I can't even shift, so I gotta like really get in the middle there and find it. Backwards and forward, or side to side isn't bad, but forwards and backwards, I mean, there's nothing. So I'm gonna show you where the spring detents are, because there's no video out there showing you where it is, so that you can replace it too if you've got a really sloppy shifter. I'm up underneath the truck right now. There's a tail shaft, and that one right there, which I've already done, is the side to side, I believe. That's the first one. And then if you look right up above it, pretty much right there, and then you go up, there it is. In there, you can see the other one. And it's kind of hard to see, but it's right past that ridge right there. And these are 30 millimeter or 1 3/16. And because of this, the constraint there, you're really not getting a socket on there. So you need a wrench. You should be able to see it much more clearly now that I've got it loosened up there. But that's it. Okay, this was the spring I just pulled out of the top one there, and I have no idea what happened to it. So this one right here is the one I've already taken out of the bottom one. That was in good shape. This one is, did it break? It must have broken. I have no idea. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go throw this one in and see if it makes any difference. Yeah, pardon the very crude and disgusting like short shifter here, but I would say that is a night and day difference. Before, it was just constant floppy, floppy, floppy. That play right there is all in that short shifter garbage, but I actually have good notchy gears now, you know? That is a huge difference, but I can just pick it up and go back and forth. As before, I would get caught in the gears or the gates. That is awesome. For $12 a spring, very good upgrade.